I hate periods, man. Who loves periods? No one loves periods, right?
मैं पतली लग रही हूँ पर मैं हूँ नहीं. ओके बाय.
Are you crazy? तू मेरी best friend है.
Hi, good morning, humans. Now that I'm done with my mail and my planning stuff, I think we should get started with the video. I just want to get done with my makeup first and then tell you everything. So let's do the time lapse thing.
Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, wait a second. Finally, I'm back and I'm very excited for this phase of my life. I'm gonna tell you everything, what all happened, why I was gone in the upcoming Tolerating Thursday video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment section below because I would love to answer them, and I know you guys have a lot of them. So yeah, I think that's about it. Now getting back to the point of the video. Today I got my period and I'm going to be trying out this menstrual cup for 24 hours. This is going to be my first ever time, so I'm really skeptical and a little scared too, if you ask me. And did you know these cups come in sizes too? I had no idea. Okay, this one I got from Carmesi. They have like 100% biocompatible medical grade silicone, and menstrual cups are supposed to be very sustainable because once you buy these little guys, you are good to go for next 10 years. Baki, this is incredibly soft, and this comes in 3 different sizes. First one, small for teenagers, medium for women who haven't given birth, and for large one who have given birth. So obviously I chose medium for me, and this is like incredibly affordable because this is going to last you for like next 10 years, and for that I think 550 is pretty affordable. Moreover, these are gynecologically tested and are like 100% rash free, which is yay for me. Apart from that, these are not made of cotton but with corn fiber, which is actually an antibacterial, and these come in their own disposable bag, which is like safe, hassle free and very hygienic. Anyways, for days when I feel like wearing a tight dress, I wear tampons. Like I use tampons, and I use their tampons because they're extremely soft and are like 100% organic cotton, and insertion is great, no leakage. I haven't experienced any leakage ever since I've started using them, and basically it's very comfortable, soft, and yet gives a lot of absorption, you can say. And fun part, these also come in different sizes. This iske size depends upon your flow, and these are again very affordable, starting from 240 rupees for 16 tampons. So I think that's fair. Apart from this, they also give you an opportunity to give a little back to the environment by their eco-conscious Carmesi sanitary pads, and this one is a little premium in quality. This is what the pad looks like. The outer covering is also a biodegradable disposable bag. This is actually available in 2 sizes, large and XL, and the pricing starts at 200 for 10 pads. So I think that's not that bad. Since they're made of eco-friendly material, they cost a little higher, but I think it works for me at least, and I would suggest you guys also to invest in this only. Or ज़्यादा अगर पैसे बचाने हैं तो you can always go for a menstrual cup. I think now I should finally insert it. I am very skeptical, which is why I've been delaying it, as you can see, by talking about all the products. But yeah, man, I have to do it at some point. So I'm gonna like boil it again. You need to actually boil it for 7 minutes, and even if you are like removing it, you can clean it with water and then only insert it. And before keeping it aside for the next month, you need to again sterilize it by boiling it for 7 minutes. And I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing abhi jaake. Apart from that, I just want to mention that Carmesi has a proper Women's Day sale going on their page, as in on their website. So I think you guys should go and check it out. And I have my own coupon code, so you can get 10% discount for that. And also the sensitive pads, these ones are like start from 99 rupees. And you get like 10 pads, and if you use my coupon, then they will be for 89 rupees only. And on their entire website for Women's Day, they're having like a 35% off wala sale. So I think this is the perfect time where you can get your hands on a lot of these products and just stock up proper तरीके से. because I did that, as you can see. तभी मैं दिखा पा रही हूँ. But yeah, so I think that's about it for the entire rant. And now let's get started with the video because I'm a little scared कि कैसे होने वाला है. I have watched a couple of videos. I know a lot of pros and cons. But इसके अलावा it is said to be inserted like this. And obviously I'm not gonna take you guys inside my washroom and show you. That would be really gross and very bad. I don't know, man. But you just need to, with the help of your index finger and your thumb, you need to make a U sort of shape and then insert it. And then when you're removing, you need to press it from here so that vacuum ka kuch hai. And I'm gonna insert it first and then let you know how I feel about it. Okay? So I think अब मैं बहुत बकवास कर चुकी हूँ. अब मुझे उठ जाना चाहिए finally. So yeah, I'll see you in a while.
I'm back. I kind of took a long break, thoda sa normal se zyada. I've inserted it. It was a little bit difficult, believe me, and I was trying to distract myself by making these hairdos, like trying to do different hairdos, and now I'm editing a video. So, for now, I think it's okay. Although it's a little uncomfortable for me because it's something that I'm doing for the first time. So yeah, and now I will, after editing the video, I will probably start shooting and then we'll leave in a while. But abhi ke liye update yahi hai ki it's a little weird, but let's see how it works out pure din ke andar. So I'll update you in a while.
Few inches later.
मम्मी क्या बना रहे हो?
मैं दाल चावल और आलू की सब्जी.
क्या मैं प्लीज मैगी खा सकती हूँ? Hi, I had really bad cramps, so after shooting one video, I removed my makeup and then came to hang out at Meghna's place क्योंकि मम्मी ने अच्छी सब्जी नहीं बनाई थी. And the cup so far has been good only. It's just that I did go to the washroom and it was a little messy when I cleaned it up. But I still think I can make it work. Apart from that, I think that it was my first time and I really need to get used to it and then I'll be good to go.
और खुद अभी मम्मी को बोलते हैं I'm not coming back in a few minutes. हम कर जाए कभी उल्लू बनाया बड़ा मजा आ. मेरे को तो अनफॉलो कर दिया. मेरे को ना Are you crazy? तू मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. तूने कर दिया? करवाया है मैंने. मेरे फोन से खुद करा उसने. तेरे को शर्म नहीं आती है? मेरे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड को फॉलो करती है.
Few inches later.
I kind of spent way too much time at Meghna's place and then came back running, got ready, and now I'm headed to the store visit. See you there. And I'm here now. I had to do the store visit. This is Mr. DIY and this is like a dollar store and they have a lot of stuff here. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm not well, as you can hear by my voice. And this is what my outfit looks like. मैं पतली लग रही हूँ पर मैं हूँ नहीं. Okay, bye. Almost done. I'm already dead. You know what I did the entire day. So now I'm gonna head home and be done with it. I'll see you at home now. Hey yo, I'm back home. I've removed the lenses और बाल मैंने ऐसे बांध लिए हैं. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे अजीब से हो रहे हैं. बाकी straight कर रहे थे मैंने event पे, मतलब event वो store visit पे जाने से पहले. तो my entire day was nice. मतलब if we take into consideration the menstrual cup, my final review, my first time review would be, it was a little messy. It was a little difficult for me to use washroom कहीं और. Luckily मैंने मेघना के घर पे किया था, but मतलब बेसिकली कुछ भी हम ट्राई करते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने टैम्पॉन ट्राई किया था तब मेरे को तब भी थोड़ा अनकम्फर्टेबल लगा था. एंड देन इट टुक मी अ वाइल टू गेट यूज्ड टू व्हाटएवर इट वाज दैट आई वाज इंसर्टिंग. सो I think the similar situation is with the menstrual cup, and I am definitely going to try it again and let's see how that works out. But the entire day, just because I'm so used to using pads or tampons, the entire day I felt like it would leak, and I really wanted to insert a pad also along with the menstrual cup, but I did not. I did wear my period panty though, but yeah. So matlab that was about it. My final review would be you guys should also give it a try. You cannot really expect me to give you an answer and just expect खुद से भी कि जो मैं फील कर रही हूँ वो या फील करो. हो सकता है कि आपको बेटर लगे. बहुत ज़्यादा क्रैम्प्स हो रहे हैं. So I'm gonna end the video right here. If you're interested in buying the product, then you should go ahead and do that. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And also do not forget about the sale they're having for Women's Day. They have 35% off and 10% off you can get additional May by using my coupon code. So everything is pretty affordable and I would suggest you to get your hands on the products. So that's it. I'm gonna remove my makeup and just sleep. And also ये बहुत सारे कपड़े यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, ये कितने सारे हैं. Yeah, so I need to figure that out also. So, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye. Okay, काफी टाइम बाद बोल रही हूँ मैं, मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मैं एक सांस में बोल पाऊंगी, बट ठीक है. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. I'm really sick.
I hate periods, man. Who loves periods? No one loves periods, right? Because I'm still single and don't have a baby. Oh man. I don't know why I'm being sad about that. Anyways, I'm not so sure how I'm gonna feel when I put it inside me. If you have any questions कि मेरे पास लैपटॉप क्यों है, वो इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे अपना पेट में दिखाना है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. और I am not body shaming मेरे को या किसी को भी, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है दिखाने में, बट आज मेरा मन नहीं है. फिर किसी दिन मैं तुम्हें शॉक दूंगी कि मैंने कितना वेट गेन कर लिया अभी तक. And I'm playing with it, which is not at all cool. I'm gonna put it aside. ऐसे पूछते तेरा रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस कैसा है, ये भी मुझे सिंगल होगी नहीं होगी, तुझसे तेरे सवाल पूछ. मेरा मन है मैं डायलॉग मार रही थी यार गाना गा के.
Also, please let me know. Do you think कि ये ऐसे सही रहेंगे बाल? What do you think of my haircut, by the way? I think सही है. पता नहीं. Okay, bye.